Welcome to Donna on Foot. It's Bank Holiday Monday, the last May one. I'm out in Eartham Woods today. I've got viewranger on the go. Just having a good old explore. Never been up here before. Loving viewranger at the moment. I'm from West Sussex, Littlehampton, and it's really at the moment helping viewranger getting out and exploring lots of little different areas that I've never been to before, so really enjoying it at the moment. So follow me. Thank goodness for viewranger, is all I can say, because I've got to an intersection and I'm the most terrible map reader. So I've got to this intersection, so I've come up that way, you can see. So I've got choices of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to go, and I'm the sort of person that would always choose the wrong way, so viewranger is absolutely brilliant for what I do. So I'm going to crack on. I believe it's that way that I need to be going, so I'm going to crack on and go this way. It has quietened down a bit. I'm not seeing as many walkers. The way that I'm going to go is up and around the edge of the field, which I'm allowed to do. So hopefully I'll get some footage of around that way. I've got to laugh at myself. Totally come off the beaten track, and I'm now trying desperately, because I couldn't follow even an electronic system to get back on the on the right route. So I'll catch you in a minute. The countryside's really starting to open up now, and it's absolutely beautiful. Some of the walks been up in the wood, which has been really nice because it's really hot today, so sort of cooling down, warming up. But this field is absolutely beautiful. So let's crack on. I'm about 3.5 miles in at the minute, so let's see what else we can find. So something I've just come across on. I'll put some history if I can find it, a bit more history of it when I get home and I do a bit more Google research. But we've got a crash site here from the war. Have a read. So I'll definitely have a bit of a Google and see what I can find out when I get home. So excuse the noise, I'm on my main road. I'm just outside up Eartham, and I've come across this beautiful little church. It's not actually on my route, but it's just too beautiful to miss, so I'm going to go and investigate. So I just stopped for a drink and to look at the map again, and took a call from one of the kids, and I've got to make my way home. Nothing too urgent, I just need to get back now. So lucky enough for me, I spoke to a really nice farmer who has told me about a shortcut, so I'm going to make my way now and enjoy the rest of the scenery and cut my walk short. So enjoy. So I'm well and truly on my way back to the car now after that deviation. Got to get back for one of the kids. It was a bit of a nightmare uphill shortcut to get me back where I needed to be, so it's obviously a lot less route that I'm on today. My original plan was this year to take a week off work and do the South Downs route all the way down to Eastbourne. But obviously the coronavirus hit and all that has gone tits up, so to speak. So I am at the moment still trying to keep my fitness levels up, getting out once a week, cracking out 7 miles. I was never gonna do the South Downs in 3 days, 3.5 days like some of these YouTubers do. All respect to those. I was going to take the week off, so I'll just make the most of what I've got. I'm not really going to talk much more now, because I'm just saying I'm going to head back towards the car. Just going to enjoy the scenery. So like and subscribe, and I will see you on another one of my videos. Hopefully next week I'll get up and plan another route and do some walking in areas that I haven't done. I'll see you all soon.